Look, I moved this chair over here. We can get a different view. I know, I switched things up the last couple days, put stuff back out. Look, there's stuff growing. I'm over here today. Got my car back, can't drive it, but I'm over here today. It's too hot to sit over there. Come here. Keep confusing these little creatures. What the? Anyway, come here. I know, I keep confusing you guys. The ground is very dry. Even with all the rain we had, there's cracks on it. So I was able to get my walker over here. And come here, I got some peanuts for you. Here. Oh. It's nice in the shade. I don't know if I have a cane in the car. There's the dove. It's like, get that car out of my way. I can't drive. Nah. I'll let my grandchild, I'll let Aspen use the car since the surgery, since who knows when I can drive again. But they're actually moving out of state next week, so my car needed to come back. Where's my squirrel? Okay, I'm gonna see if I can. I need to turn the bird cam on because I don't think it got turned on when it was plugged in. So let me go do that.